Oh man, a whole day's work blew apart. Hi, I'm Ron Paulk. Welcome to the Smart Digital Woodshop. So I am working on page 8. I've made a lot of progress. I am getting close. I'm probably halfway done with the layout plans. It's amazing spending hours and hours here at the desk. Fortunately, it's a stand-up desk, so I don't find myself ensconced in a chair all day. So again, I've gone on and I've created a couple of new pages, and I'm happy with how everything is working out. I needed a different look, a different window. This one here that I'm kind of pointing at, and so I went into SketchUp and I created this and saved it as a view. Had to do a little updating, and I came back in and started working, and I got a couple of pages done, uh, and it everything was looking good. And then I wanted to show my wife. I was pretty proud of the work, and I was clicking through the pages, and I got back to this one, and this one that I had spent the entire previous day on blew apart. And I was just looking at how can I fix this. I mean, all the windows changed. This is not the views, and of course, all the dimensions are all spread out all over the place and disconnected. So I did a bunch of going backwards, and I got to the point where I was on a later page, and I got to where backing up started changing some of that, and I realized that okay, so I'm beyond the point of backing up and finding where the error happened. It's operator error, not SketchUp or Layout's fault. I did something over in SketchUp, and then when I updated the model, things got moved. Fortunately, this was the only page. Again, it was a whole day, a lot of detail here, and now none of these portals are right. I'm going to pretty much delete all of this and rebuild this page. Hopefully, it won't take me a whole day to rebuild it. But, it's just a sign of, you know, I've got to learn, I'd like to learn what I did, but I don't have time to figure it out right now. I just need to move forward. The one thing that I will point out, and I think this is going to help, and I'll show you on another page here. So I've got all my pages that are like this, but I'll just show you this one. So I've gone in, and this one is in good shape. You can see this little triangle here and this here, because what I've done is I created a group of the page, and you notice it's red. Normally it'd be blue. And what I did was I right-clicked and I locked it. So right now I'd unlock it. So if I unlock it, then it's blue. So if I click on it, I can edit it. But once I lock it, I can't do anything unless I unlock it. So I'm hoping that this lock feature will just, once I have a page done and I don't want to edit it anymore, or if I want to edit, I come back in, unlock it, make the change, and then relock it while I'm looking at it so that I won't have an accident happen. These pages here are all locked. But if I come, to this page that's blown apart here, once I get it rebuilt, then I'll lock it. And so hopefully that lock feature will be something that all of you can think about. Again, we need that connection to SketchUp because that allows us to change one thing and have it change across all of the model portals. Otherwise, you're going in and doing each one individually. That's the advantage of CAD and computer design, is that you get to leverage your work. But again, with the technology, and maybe SketchUp guys, if you're watching, will know what I did wrong here. But again, we're probably talking. It was a full day. I had spent found this yesterday, so it was the day before, and this was an important page because this is all the detailing of the 18 millimeter parts, and showing you how to cut them. And this one here is not even. I mean, these aren't even the right views, so I can't even really show you what it was. But it was, what is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 portals, and like this one here. This was just one piece of 18 millimeter, a long piece that goes on the back of one of the extensions, and now it's showing something totally different. So again, I did something, and I'm figuring it's one action because it changed them all, not just one. It just blew them all apart. So Anyway, it's part of the frustrations of learning something. I've been at this a long time, and I have done this before, so this isn't the first time I've done it. And this lock thing I knew about, but I forgot. And so it's just a reminder to take that extra step and protect the work that's done and continue on. Hey, if you like these videos, be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe. Most important, share the channel with others. And in the video description down below, you can find a link to my store for my plans and also to my Amazon store. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Have a great day.